AirAsia Group Berhad was founded by a government-owned conglomerate, 𝗬𝐵HiCom, in 1993. In 2011, the heavily indebted airline was bought over by former Time Warner executive Tony Fernandes and Kamarudin Meranun's company, 𝗬𝗎𝗍𝗫 Berhad, for the token sum of RM1 with an inherited debt of RM40 million. The company is in the aviation industry, where they provide scheduled domestic and international flights as a means of transport for both passengers and cargo. Some of the countries they sell to are Malaysia, which represents about 68.1% of their total revenue for financial year end 2020, 17.2% comes from the Philippines, and the remaining 14.7% comes from Indonesia. For more information, you can visit their website at www.aasia.com. Revenue was growing positively until the COVID-19 pandemic kicked in the early 2020, an unfortunate event that had put AirAsia onto their knees. Though their operating profit has always been bumpy since financial year end 2011 due to the depreciation of new aircraft that the company purchased, fluctuation of aircraft fuel expenses, and also to retain their employees by giving them higher salaries and bonuses. The bumpy operating profit has led to an unstable profit before tax. The times where they are making great returns are when foreign exchange is favorable to them, as well as some asset disposal. Their profit margins started downtrending since financial year end 2016 due to the high operating costs incurred. You will also notice there are times where their net margins is higher than the pre-tax margin due to the positive deferred tax. Similar case to its ROIC, experiencing a large drop starting from financial year end 2018 due to the lockdown and lower operating profit. Overall, their profit after tax has been very unstable and volatile. Nevertheless, the management has been very conservative with their remuneration. AirAsia has been a net debt company for 9 years. The only times where they achieved net cash was in financial year end 2018, as they managed to repay a large sum of debts thanks to the disposal of assets. A bumpy operating cash flow, but at least they are mostly positive. High capex incurred in financial year end 2012 to 2014, with more spending on assets. Meanwhile, AirAsia did some disposal of aircrafts in financial year end 2018 to 2019. They paid dividends for 9 years, which is decent, but the amount was inconsistent. The special dividend declared in financial year end 2018 to 2019 is due to the disposal of aircraft mentioned in the previous slide. AirAsia did not distribute any dividends in financial year end 2020 as their business is in distress. Free cash flow moved from negative to positive. Negative free cash flow incurred either is caused by the lower operating cash flow or larger capex spending. They are able to pay out dividends in financial year end 2012, 14 and 17. It is thanks to their high retained earnings saved up in their company. Overall, I rate their company 4.1 out of 8, which is about 51.25%. Almost breached the D grading category, but hopefully they will make a comeback once the travel ban is lifted. Anyways, here is my further comments on AirAsia. Number 1, obviously the closure of international borders had negatively impacted their business as a result of the rise in COVID cases. That said, the only way to solve this big problem quickly is enhancing the speed of vaccination. The faster the citizens are getting vaccinated, the quicker the airline industry will recover. Moreover, AirAsia had raised a lot of funds from debts as well as equity financing like private placement to keep their business afloat. Not to mention, their cash and reserves are nearly emptied. I'm not sure how long the funds can cope with their operating expenses, but if they are unable to, I foresee that they may start to raise funds again. On the bright side, AirAsia possesses a very valuable digital asset that an American lender is willing to loan them $1 billion or for 4.14 billion ringgit. This may open another door of opportunity for AirAsia in the future with their expansion towards digitalization. Their super app, previously known as AirAsia.com, had transformed its business from a digital airline to a comprehensive lifestyle platform, providing various offerings such as food delivery, e-hailing services, and even online shopping. Right now, AirAsia has many digital products covering e-commerce, fintech, and deliveries. My educated guess is they are not really looking to make big bucks from this business diversification, but rather collecting and building their customer database sets, for instance, the customer's behavior and how they use the web and mobile app, in turn growing their digital asset. Imagine how massive their digital assets worth will be in the future with all this new data collected. And that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. If you did, make sure you smash the like and subscribe button for more. If you have any company in mind that you want me to analyze, feel free to propose it at the comment section down below. With that, I'll see you in the next one.